Hi guys, today we're going to be going over identifying high probability liquidity sweeps. And for me personally, a liquidity sweep must come during either London kill zone or New York kill zone because this is when there's the most volume in the market. It's when the algos are running and it's when we want to be involved in the market to see some sort of displacement along with our trades. So as you can see in this first example here, we aggressively sweep buy side liquidity into a bearish order block and we break structure to the downside. And look at how aggressive this price action is. It's inducing traders into the wrong side of the market via an aggressive bullish push, I would say. And then we quickly reverse even quicker than what we gave this bullish move with, and eventually hunting the sell side liquidity and giving a break of structure to the downside, all happening during the New York kill zone. Then we get a corrective price retrace back up into the premium of our range. As you can see here, anything above the equilibrium is going to be expensive pricing. And look what happens during the London kill zone. In Asia, we generate equal highs. London gives a bullish move again, very similar to what we saw here in the New York kill zone, taking out Asia high, running the buy side liquidity, again inducing traders onto the wrong side of the market. And we get an aggressive displacement again in the opposite direction, hunting sell side liquidity into the extreme of this move to the left. Then again in New York kill zone, you can see we hunt sell side liquidity into a premium daily array. This is actually a daily order block. I should have drawn it on, but I won't do that now. Into the daily order block during New York kill zone, and we aggressively displace to the upside into our London liquidity sweep. We give a sell off into the order block that was generated during our New York kill zone sweep on liquidity, for then a continued move to hunt buy side liquidity up here. Moving on, you can see we have equal highs stacked up here and a buy to sell range denoted. Oh, if I can get that, buy to sell range denoted up here above those equal highs. And price runs this buy side liquidity very, very aggressively during our New York kill zone. Look at the aggression we hunt this with and the aggression that we come back out of this with. This is what you want to see with liquidity sweeps. If price just sort of trickles above and then trickles down, slowly, this isn't the type of price action that we want to see to validate liquidity sweeps. We want to see that aggressive push, which is inducing traders onto the wrong side of the market. People are going to be FOMOing in. They're going to be trying to buy down here, buy up here, buy thinking that this is just going to keep running on forever, when in fact it's just a trap, and then price aggressively trades back in the other direction, ultimately hunting sell side liquidity and reversing overall. Again, what we have here, New York kill zone. Look at the aggression. Usually these do happen during high impact news, so it's good to watch out for all of this. And look, we have a set of stacked equal highs here during the New York kill zone. During the New York kill zone, price hunts this super fast into a H1 order block, and then we aggressively displace to the downside, hunting sell side liquidity. And you get the idea. So I was just trying to make this as simple as possible. You want to make sure that you're looking for runs on liquidity and your entries during London kill zone or New York kill zone, because these are the best and most high probability times to be looking. Before I end the video, make sure you check out the link in the description for my free Discord. I hope to see you in that, and I'll catch you in the next video.